Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming access. Sign into the Google account with Gemini permissions and pick the image-capable model. Next, set your core parameters, resolution, aspect ratio, and a rough style direction, so the model has constraints. Then prepare a short, clear prompt scaffold, subject, mood, and focal details. Once done, draft 1 or 2 reference prompts to test variations. Make sure to enable any experimental image flags if required. This gets you from 0 to the first actionable request. Now refine how you speak to Gemini. Write prompts that combine subject, medium, and camera or art direction, for example, portrait, cinematic 50mm, soft rim light, oil paint texture. Then set generation parameters like guidance strength, random seed for reproducibility, and iteration count to balance speed versus detail. Use negative prompts to exclude artifacts or undesired motifs. Once these are set, run small batches to observe changes. Make sure to log parameter differences so you can iterate efficiently. Finish by selecting the strongest renders and applying any upscaling or post-processing steps you need, color grading, background cleanup, or minor retouching. Export in the format that matches your use case: PNG for archival, JPG for web. If results drift from intent, troubleshoot by tightening prompts, adjusting the seed, or lowering guidance to increase creativity. Conversely, raise guidance to match a strict look. One key tip: if noise or artifacts appear, reduce iterations or run a...
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.